Hello, everyone, and welcome to our countdown of the top 10 most unique beaches on Earth that you must visit. Beaches are one of the most popular destinations for vacationers. Some beaches are more than just sand and water, from hidden coves to unusual formations. These beaches are sure to leave a lasting impression. So, let's dive in. This video is brought to you by Beyond Trails. If you like our videos, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Number 10, we have Pfeiffer Beach. Pfeiffer Beach is located in Big Sur, California, and is a hidden gem that's off the beaten path. What makes this beach unique is its striking purple sand, which comes from the manganese garnet particles that wash down from the nearby cliffs. The color is especially vibrant during the sunset hours. Besides the purple sand, Pfeiffer Beach is also known for its natural arch, which is a popular spot for taking photos. It's a great spot for those who want to escape the crowds and experience a peaceful, scenic beach. Number 9, we have Cathedral Beach. Located in Galicia, Spain. Playa de las Catedrales, or Cathedral Beach, is named after the towering rock formations that resemble a cathedral. The beach is a popular spot for tourists, and during the low tide, visitors can walk through the arches and explore the hidden caves. The beach is also known for its crystal clear water and fun white sand. It's a great spot for those who love photography, nature, and adventure. Next on our list is Hidden Beach, Mexico. Hidden Beach, or Playa del Amo, is located in the Marianas Islands, off the coast of Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. This unique beach is only accessible by swimming or kayaking through a narrow tunnel. Once you emerge, you'll find yourself on a secluded beach, surrounded by a natural rock formation that shields it from the outside world. The beach is perfect for those who want a private, intimate beach experience. Visitors can swim, snorkel, and sunbathe on the pristine white sand. Number 7, we have Red Beach, Greece. Red Beach is located on the island of Santorini in Greece and is famous for its red volcanic sand. The beach is surrounded by towering red cliffs, creating a unique and picturesque landscape. The water is crystal clear, and the beach is popular for swimming and snorkeling. However, visitors should be aware that the beach is not very large and can become very crowded during peak season. Number 6, we have Mayho Beach, St. Martin. Mayho Beach is located on the Dutch side of the island of St. Martin in the Caribbean. What makes this beach unique is its close proximity to the airport, where planes fly right over the beach as they land. It's a unique and thrilling experience for beachgoers and aviation enthusiasts alike. Visitors can swim, sunbathe, and watch planes take off and land just a few feet above them. However, visitors should be aware that the beach can become very crowded during peak season. Number 5, we have Jökulsárlón Beach in Iceland. Jökulsárlón Beach, also known as Diamond Beach, is located on the southern coast of Iceland. The beach is famous for its black sand and the chunks of ice that wash up on the shore from the nearby glacier lagoon. The ice looks like diamonds on the black sand, creating a magical and surreal atmosphere. Visitors can explore the beach, take photos, and watch as the ice slowly melts and disappears. The beach is also popular for seal watching. Next on our list is Hot Water Beach in New Zealand. Hot Water Beach is located on the Coromandel Peninsula in New Zealand. The beach is famous for its natural hot springs that emerge from the sand during the low tide. Visitors can dig their own hot pool in the sand and relax in the warm water while enjoying the beautiful views of the Pacific Ocean. The hot water is heated by the geothermal activity in the area, making this beach a unique and natural spa experience. Visitors should be aware of the changing tides and hot water temperatures, which can reach up to 64 Celsius. At number 3, we have Pink Sands Beach in Bahamas. Pink Sands Beach is located on Harbour Island in the Bahamas and is famous for its pink sand. Sand gets its pink color from tiny coral fragments that wash up on the shore. The beach stretches for 3 miles and is surrounded by crystal clear waters, making it a popular spot for swimming and snorkeling. Visitors can also enjoy water sports, beachfront restaurants, and luxury resorts. The beach is a great spot for those who want a romantic and serene getaway. At number 2, we have Papakālia Beach in Hawaii. Papakālia Beach, also known as Green Sand Beach, is located on the Big Island of Hawaii. The beach is famous for its green sand, which gets its color from olivine crystals that come from the nearby volcano. The beach is located in a remote area and can only be accessed by hiking or by taking a 4-wheel drive. Visitors can swim, sunbathe, and hike the nearby trails. The beach is a great spot for those who love adventure and natural wonders. And finally, at number 1, we have Pig Beach in Bahamas. Pig Beach, also known as Big Major Cay, is located in the Exuma Islands of the Bahamas. What makes this beach unique is its famous inhabitants. That's right, a group of swimming pigs. Visitors can swim and interact with the friendly pigs, who are not afraid to approach humans. The pigs are thought to have been brought to the island by sailors who planned to come back and cook them, but never returned. The pigs have since become a beloved attraction and even have their own caretakers. The beach is a great spot for those who love animals and want a truly unique beach experience. That concludes our extended countdown of the top 10 most unique beaches you must visit. From colored sand to swimming pigs, these beaches are sure to provide a one-of-a-kind experience. Each beach has its own unique charm and beauty that is worth exploring. Which one will you visit first? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel content. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more great content.